speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And today, guys, I'm starting my video from this middle of the forest, just roast in the forest. Guys, today I really feel bad and I feel loneliness, and I said I have to come to this place because I used to come here with my friend every time. So today I was not feeling good, but I woke up very early in the morning with the morning routine of the village, but I was heartbroken. I did not feel good about what happened, which I will be telling you right here. So sometimes when you are used to some people or somebody around you, they become part of you. Then when it reaches a time, maybe they need to leave, you feel so bad and so down, and you feel like everything is crashing down, especially when you had big plans, you know. So guys, for me today, I'm not feeling well. I feel I have a flu and also I feel malaria, but I had to make this video for you to know, because now after everything, the only other friend I have is you guys who watches my video, who are my subscribers, most supportive subscribers. Big shout out to you. So today, guys, I'm here in this forest, and I wanted to speak out what I feel. You know, sometimes when you feel so bad and then you go and speak it out, then you feel you are relieved. So guys, today it was really a very, very, very bad experience to say goodbye to my friend whom we have been staying with, and she decided to leave today all of a sudden because she was called home. I really don't know what happened, so she had to leave. So I feel like even the plans yesterday was a Sunday, and we had bought even a lot of things at the market that we were going to make videos with, because as I told you guys, I want to start bringing the history of the people of Kenya. So I was preparing myself to start the filming and the giving of the stories. So it happened that today she left, and I felt so bad because, you know, they say that when you want to walk far, walk in a group. So she was my group. She was part of my motivation. So for her leaving, I feel down. But as a man, I have to pick it. I have to move on. So today, my friend Happiness Bona left. She went back home to her place. Her place is so far away from here. So she left the village. It was just an emergency call. So she had to go, and maybe she will come back, or maybe she may not come back. So guys, you may not be seeing her in my videos or in her videos when you watch her videos, but I hope everything will be okay. So I want to tell you that I have plans, a lot of plans for this, and I have to say, guys, continue supporting Live with Makori kindly, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not. And the reason why you have to subscribe is that if you love adventure, if you love the history of the people, of the tribes of Africa, of the people of the world, this is the right place, because that's what I want to do. You know, there are some people who never get chances to travel the world and learn about the cultures, the foods, and also the lifestyle of the people. So this is your channel, because it is dedicated. I'm a man on the mission to step every country in the world to bring you the history, the lifestyle of the people, all the tribes of the world. So this Live with Makori, that's why you need to subscribe and enjoy this beautiful vlog. Guys, for you watching my videos, you help me earn a living, you help me be able to fund my travel and my vlogs, all my videos, be able to pay my Wi-Fi and maybe pay and other things that I need to have for me to be able to make you this content. So thank you so much. May God bless you guys. Today's video will not be so long because I don't feel really good. I'm sick. You know, in Africa we have a lot of malaria, especially the tropical area. We have a lot of malaria, and I am among the people who have suffered malaria, but it is normal. So maybe tomorrow, the other day, I will be just fine. And I have a flu also. It has been raining a lot, and I was rained on the other day. I think that's how it came in, but everything is gonna be okay. So guys, I really request you guys continue supporting Live with Makori by subscribing to the channel and watching. Guys, drop your comment. Kindly keep on watching my videos. Guys, I really need your support because I need this. I need to fund everything that I do. So I want to say thank you so much. And this is what I just wanted to preview at least, right? I wanted to preview this because I feel like, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what is happening. So stay tuned and may God bless you guys as you continue supporting Live with Makori on the road to 3,000 subscribers. But guys, you know what I need is really new subscribers into my channel. I need more subscribers because I know I have some of you, around 100 of you, who usually watches my video, and at least I have 100 of you who watches my videos. But in my channel I have over 2,000 subscribers, over 2,200 subscribers who are not really. So it's like 2,100 subscribers who are not watching my videos. So that's why I need to have more people who watches my video, who supports me the way you do. So I want to say, kindly continue watching and sharing my videos to your friends, tell a friend, so that you can support Live with Makori. And I want to say big shout out to Sister Shuposh for the support you are giving by asking friends to subscribe to my channel and watching and commenting. Thank you. May God bless you guys. I really don't have much to say, but I want to say bye bye, man. See you tomorrow. And because tomorrow I have a project that I'm running. I'll show you in at least two or three videos. So what I really want you to do is continue supporting Live with Makori. And tomorrow I will be updating you on the house that I'm building, because today I did not do anything on the house. I have timbers, I have grasses, I need some nails which I have not bought, to be honest, but I need to bring all the materials so that I will start building the house, where now I will be bringing you these beautiful videos from. So I really want to say thank you so much. May God bless you for watching this video to this end. Kindly remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. This is Live with Makori. That's my name. I'm a village boy, and guys, support the village boy, man. Support me so that I can go out there and explore the world. Thank you guys. May God bless you. Boom. See you on the next one.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
tuache bila kuweka kwa gari kama ni hivyo.
as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young,
Haya.
and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.